Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see MX records. This records identifies the server that can exchange emails. We would be going into a few domains and we want to know what exchange emails they are using. Just for fun, let's see how we can do this. Main, we can say function main, we can call MX records to net dot lookup MX. There you can say wipro.com. Let's check what wipro.com is using, which email server Wipro is using. Equals to range MX records. fmt.println mx.host. Comma. Now let's run this. Go run main. Perfect. So Wipro is using Outlook. Let's try something else now. Let's see what Yelp is using. Yelp is using Google. And how about one more example? Let's see Nokia. Do they have a Nokia.com? I'm not sure. Even Nokia is using Outlook. Apple. I think they have their own something. Oh yeah, there you go. They have their own exchange server. So this was for fun. Penetration testing in ethical hacking, but I'm not going to go in detail about those things. This was only for a fun, just to see how we can use MX record. So guys, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.